So here is how to qualify for the Aster Airdrop. In case you're just hearing about Aster for the first time, CZ of BNB tweeted about it, and since then the token has been moving. Personally, I saw this token when it was 61 cents, but now it has gotten to $2. But currently trading for $1.70 something cents. So this might be a good way to also position for their free drop, and you can pick it up from there. Let me remember to also tell you that we have some CSs that have listed the token: Binance, Bybit, Gate.io, MEXO, and all of that. But if you trade the token using any of these CXs, you won't get the airdrop. You have to use their own dapp to qualify for the airdrop. You have to trade the token on their dapp protocol to get the airdrop. So which is why I want to show you how to go about it. So what you need to do is to get the registration link in the description box of this video. This is the link. Paste the link. If you are using a PC, you can follow like this. If you are using a mobile device, just go to, copy the link and paste it to your discover button of your OKX wallet. So once you've pasted the link like this, is that you use a PC or you use your the normal what's it called, the dapp browser on your OKX wallet. So I'll just select EVM wallet, EVM chain, and I'll choose MetaMask. I have signed up already because I'm just using PC to connect. That's why it's building sign up. So I've signed up using mobile. So you can use any device, either your OKX wallet or you use your desktop wallet. So here I'll just send click on this send request. That's all. I'll just allow it to open to the new page. So now this is the dapp protocol. You can see you are connecting on BSC network, and this is the wallet. So to get the airdrop, you see here you are seeing airdrop. That's why I said if you are using other CXs to trade the token, you won't get the airdrop. The only way for qualifying for this Aster Airdrop is to use their dapp for trading. Perpetual trading, which is the futures trading, or spot trading, whichever you are doing. If I click on this airdrop, you see claim your Aster APX exchange, and I'll just click on this claim Aster, let's say. Okay. They say we are distributing 8.8% of token allocation to community members who participated in the Aster Airdrop related campaign. If I click on this eligibility. So claim period. Okay, the first claim period is open already. So if I click on this eligibility, I'm not eligible because I've not traded anything. So we are positioning for the next airdrop here. Dapp is kind of, I don't know, maybe slow or something. So you just have to be patient with it. There's no point going through all of that because I'm not even eligible already. I've not traded. So now to get started, you need to first of all deposit on this platform. Let me click on portfolio. So you see, I've deposited 20 USDT here on this platform, and you can see that is what I want to use to do the trading. I will buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. That's what the trading entails. You can trade futures. Either you trade the token itself, Aster, or you do BTC, or you trade Ethereum, any coin, or you can also trade spot. So on spot trading, you buy, you sell, you buy Aster, you can sell back to USDT, you buy Aster, you sell back to USDT. So basically, that's how the eligibility works. It just means you are using the dapp to carry on trading activities. So for you to deposit, on the home page, you will see deposit. If you click on this deposit, let me also say this: when you are depositing, you have to, after you've sent in the token, you have to wait for like 15-20 minutes for the deposit to reflect. Take note, for you to deposit, you are waiting for like 15-20 minutes for the deposit to reflect. So you are saying BNB chain, you can switch your coin you want to deposit here and select USDT. Enter the amount you want to deposit and you click on approve USDT. You need to first of all approve it for you to be able to get it. Because I'm not depositing, I might not go through all of that. I've deposited already. So what you need to do, select USDT, enter the amount you want to deposit, click on approve, then it will pop up a confirmation to confirm in your wallet. Then let's see. You can see how the platform is kind of, I don't know, maybe slow. So make sure you are giving it some time for it to load. I'll click on confirm. The wallet you are using, make sure you also have BSC, the BNB coin as gas for you to be able to interact. Have your USDT. You are going to have that USDT on your wallet. You are going to have that USDT on your wallet. So make sure you have the USDT on BSC network on your wallet. You provide that USDT on the wallet that you are connecting. You can see the wallet I connected here. You need to have the USDT on the wallet you are connecting and also have BNB coin as gas. So here you enter amount that you want to deposit based on your wallet's balance. Then you click on approve. Then you have to wait like 15-20 minutes for you to see it under your portfolio balance. So because I did not enter any amount, I'm not going to see any deposits here. So the moment you connect your wallet, you can use these marks to select if you want to deposit the whole of your wallet balance here, or you enter the quantity you want them to deposit for you on their platform. So then you click on approve USDT. Then you wait 15-20 minutes, come to portfolio, this portfolio, where you see your available balance. So under this portfolio, you see your available balance. Then to start trading, if I want to buy the coin now, the Aster token, I can click on sports. That's after your portfolio is showing account balance. Once your portfolio is showing account balance, then you come to this spot trading. I want to buy. I'm going to change this to Aster. I want to buy Aster USDT. You can see it's currently trading for $1.78. And with this chart based on technical analysis, I can wait to buy here because this is still showing a sell. Technically, I'm seeing a sell continuous here, but it might just be a small sell. There is a possibility that we might come here, or there is another possibility that we might this is giving us a neckline. So from here, I'm just saying like, okay, there might be a reversal from here. If there is no reversal, then we can come here. Let me see what time frame. Okay, this is on daily time frame. So based on this daily time frame, we might come down a bit to this place, or a reversal comes in. So I'll just do dollar cost average. Let me see the 4 hours time frame. If I want to trade these on futures, okay, on futures is showing, okay, there is a reversal might happen from here again. So if I'm trading these on futures, I'll just buy, because on 4 hours we are seeing like a triple bottom. If I come to 1 hour time frame, also is showing, I'm seeing a reversal because price has been unable to break this neckline. So price has been unable to break this neckline. So this is giving me a buy signal. So because I'm using spot, it doesn't matter. I can just buy. But if I'm trading this on futures, if I want to do the perpetual trading, I will still buy and put my stop loss. And put my stop loss below this neckline a bit. But you know, when you are trading futures, you have to be conscious of the charts. Because I don't even have time to be monitoring charts. Let me just do the spot trading. I will enter, I'm buying with the whole of the $20. So I'll click on buy here. So you see market buy field. So when I see some profit here, I can sell and hold on to buy again. So I can be doing it like that. Personally, I don't have time to come back and be monitoring this chart. So that's why I'm just I just do the spot trading. But if I had wanted to do the futures trading, I'll still click on buy and still monitor the charts to air. And that is it. So you can see the way the coin is moving. This is more or less like a live trading already. Look at it. It's not even funny. So guys, this is how to qualify for the Aster airdrop. So what you need to do basically, buy and sell. Either you are using spot or you are using perpetual trading, which is the futures. If you don't understand charts, just stick with spot. Buy on spot. But if you can read charts, you can take advantage and do the perpetual trading, which is the futures trading. So it's as simple as that. So there is everything is available for everyone. Do spots or you do futures. All you have to do is trade on the exchange on this dapp to qualify for the airdrop. Check the registration link in the description box of this video, and you can get started from there. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.